Hi guys, it's Jasmine Lear, and this is where my website is at this point. Uh, a lot of the things that we were supposed to add for this milestone I already had on my site, so I just went ahead and kept improving what I already have. For example, I already made these Photoshop buttons for my social media accounts. These four here link to my accounts. The email and the phone right now just link to my contact page. I also went and changed or created a button here and made this link to my home page. I already had an accordion. I think that was for the last task. I added that. I did add a couple more images to sort of add some interest to the pages. For my slideshow, I added this animated GIF here. Gosh. I added this GIF here. We made this for the same class that we created. I created this book cover in. So I added that, and it does play. I don't have the timing quite right yet, but it's in there and it plays. I also added little descriptions to my pieces here, and I adjusted the slideshow for each breakpoint. And then here's my contact page with the video. I took the video out on my tablet and phone breakpoints because I do remember reading somewhere that those videos sometimes can cause a page to load more slowly on a mobile device. And that's basically all I did. I do have an issue though that I will try to explain. It's hard to show on here because I can't really show it on this page, but I use two extra monitors that I have attached to my laptop. So the issue I am having here is when I view my website, this is my published website here. When I view it on this screen on my laptop, my home and my work pages don't work. I'll show you here, like the contact page works. When I hit that button, it works. When I hit the about page, it takes me there. And if I go to the work page, it'll take me there. But then once I'm there, I'm stuck. It won't let me go anywhere. And the home page is the same way. If I click on the home page, once I get there, I'm fine, but then it doesn't work. Now, if I take this browser and I just slide it over to my other monitor, excuse me. If I slide it over to my other monitor, all of the buttons work. So I've had feedback from other classmates saying that my navigation bar doesn't work, and I'm getting the feeling that maybe it works for some people and doesn't work for other people. So if anyone knows what could be causing that, I would really appreciate it, because I even went so far as deleting my navigation bar and creating a new one, thinking maybe I had messed something up when I was redesigning, or somehow I had broken the links. I don't really understand what's causing that. But other than that, I'm really happy with the way my site is looking. My main concern right now is just the functionality of it. So if anyone has any ideas or suggestions on things I could try, I would really appreciate it.